So you actually explained to me there's a reason why the stress pattern falls later in the word in Munster Irish.
Yeah, and actually in Louisiana, it's a nice place to discuss that. Yeah.
Alright, we're in Louisiana right now. We're both on Fulbright teaching Irish in different parts of America. I'm in Villanova University in Philadelphia.
And I'm in Notre Dame in Indiana. And we're on Thanksgiving Day holidays down here in New Orleans.
So we're in south of America talking about Irish from south of Ireland.
Exactly. And we were talking earlier about how in Munster Irish we have the accent or the stress on the final syllable of the word. And that's actually an imitation of French, because there were many French speakers in the south of Ireland from the 12th century on. So there was, it's kind of simplistic, but there was contact between French speakers and Irish speakers in Munster more than in the rest of Ireland.
So that's why the stress pattern changes to this later part of the word.
Yeah.
Interesting. And so you were saying that there's like a word for circumstance. That's how we say circumstance. But
in American English it would be circumstance, and in French it's circonstance.
Yeah.
You have the stress on the final syllable in the word.
Okay.
Some people in Munster would still say circumstance.
Okay, yeah.
And that word has always been pronounced in Munster, I think, as circumstance.
That's
with the syllable on the stress on the final syllable.
I never thought that would go back to France from the 12th century. Like, that's mad.
Do you want to say the joke?
Oh, let's say the joke. Okay.
What kind of Irish do they speak on the moon? Gael on the moon.
And that means Munster Irish. I don't think this is funny when you have to explain the joke. So this has been What the Fuckle, where I answer your questions about the Irish language. And today we did a quick kind of whistle-stop tour of Munster Irish. I'm going to be doing the other dialects too. But I want to thank Sean a lot for sharing his expertise with me today. And I'll put some links down below to Sean's channel on YouTube, because he does some really cool stuff with Irish on YouTube. And also to just some articles and things explaining what we talked about in this video, like those synthetic verbs and all that kind of stuff. So Sinead, we're going to go out in New Orleans now and have a great time.
We have some grits.